Now, Galileo thought that he could detect parallax through a double star. Okay, a double star is where you have two stars that are really close to each other. And Galileo found the double star. Mizar, actually his friend Benedetto Castelli found it. And he saw these two stars where he saw one next to the other, and one looked a lot smaller, and the other looked a lot further, looked a lot larger. And so Galileo thought that, hey, what you have is, what these are is one's far away, one's close. And if this is the case, then as the Earth orbits the Sun, so let's start orbiting here, then the changing perspective of the two stars would produce this effect of what we call differential parallax. We go around like this, and you see the two stars changing their position as our position on Earth changes due to us orbiting the Sun. Now, notice how dramatic that effect is, and those stars, those two balls, are quite a bit out. Okay, so whereas when we just had the two next to each other, we thought that we were just seeing, not a whole lot of a parallax. You can see that this makes the parallax quite dramatic. So the differential parallax method would be very sensitive. Of course, it turns out that Galileo did not end up seeing any differential parallax in Mizar.
So hopefully our little expedition to the St. Meinrad playground and its great merry-go-round has helped you to better understand the issues of parallax and star sizes. These were the primary objections to the Copernican system that were raised by Tycho Brahe, the Danish astronomer, and later on, about 50 years later, by the Jesuit astronomer Giovanni Battista Riccioli in Italy, who updated Brahe's arguments using the telescope. And then hopefully also it helps you to understand the issue of differential parallax, which Galileo encountered when he observed the double star Mizar, or to put it more correctly, Galileo didn't encounter it when he observed the double star Mizar. But he never published his double star data. So hopefully seeing these on the merry-go-round helps you understand how all this stuff works.